Now that we have installed WordPress, let's go ahead and look at how to log into our WordPress website. So to log into your WordPress website, you need to enter your domain name, that is dikupagesweb.com, then bring /wp-admin and hit enter. This will take you to the login page. So in here, I enter my username and then the corresponding password. Enter. So upon login, it will take you straight to the dashboard of your WordPress website, and that is the back end of our website. So we have the front end and we have the back end. Let's take a look at the front end. So I right click on the name of my website, open link in a new tab. So this is the front end of my website. That is what visitors will see as soon as they enter the URL or my domain name. And in here is the back end. That is where I can come to edit my website. Now let me give you a quick tour of the dashboard, or what we'll see as soon as we log into WordPress. So in here is the dashboard area where you have these widgets that show some statistics and latest events and news. At the left hand side pane is dashboard, where we have home and updates. The home link points to the same dashboard, so clicking on it will just take you to the dashboard again. And then updates, this is where you see future updates that comes in WordPress. So anytime you see a particular number attached to updates, that means you have that much of updates to take care of. Next is post. This is where you can create blog posts, and all the posts you'll be creating will be listed when you go to all posts. And you can also group your posts into categories and tags. Media, in here you can add all the media you want to use on your website, that is pictures, videos, audios, and even documents. Pages are the static pages you create on your WordPress website. So you can go to all pages to see the various pages you have on your WordPress website, or you click on add new to add a new page. Comments, this is where all comments that users of your website send will appear. So you can go there to moderate the comment, that is either approve them or delete them. Appearance has to do with the theme we'll be using on our WordPress website. A theme is basically the design and layout of your WordPress website. So for instance, if you go to the front end, so this is a theme we are currently using. That is the green background and the black text. Next is plugins. Plugins are just software that will extend the functionality of your WordPress website. Users, this is where all users of your website will be listed, and you can also create new users using this particular command. Now with tools, you can check the site health of your website and many more. Under settings, you can perform various settings like changing the name of your website and also changing the links of your website. We'll see how to change the permalinks of our website later in this tutorial. So that's a quick tour of the WordPress dashboard.